Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to stop this update now. First, disconnect the internet, unplug Ethernet or toggle Wi-Fi off so nothing else downloads. Next, open settings and go straight to update and security to check status. Once there, look for downloading versus installing indicators. If files are only downloading, you can pause updates. If the installer has already written to disk, make sure the cursor isn't busy. Interrupting active disk writes can corrupt files, so proceed cautiously. Now you'll either pause or roll back. If installation hasn't completed, click Pause Updates for 7 or 35 days to stop future installs and buy time. Once done, if a feature update completed and you need to revert, open Recovery and choose Go Back to the previous version. This uses the saved windows. Old files. If that option is missing, boot into safe mode and run system restore to an earlier point. These steps reverse changes without a full reinstall when available. Finish by cleaning up and verifying system health. Stop the Windows Update service, delete the software distribution folder contents, then restart the service so stale files don't trigger repeat installs. Once restarted, run DISM with Restore Health and then SFC to repair any corrupted system files. This prevents boot issues. If the machine is stuck or shows errors, use Windows Recovery Media to repair or contact support. Do not repeatedly force power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.